Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today I am doing something that I really enjoy, and that is I'm going to get to do some finger painting today. Now we're going to start off, we're going to lay down some nice puddle pours, and then all I'm going to do is just run my finger through it. I mean, I know a lot of people call that, embellishments and whatnot. We like to have fun here on Michael's Making Art. And honestly, I really do love considering it finger painting. It just makes it more fun for me. Well, with that being said, I don't want to chat you guys up too long. I'm going to put the colors down in the description because that's what we're doing now. And you know what, guys? I really do want to just jump right in here because we're going to put down our base. Then I put down our puddles. And we're going to see where it takes us from there. So we're going to go into some nice music. And you know what, guys? I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm coming back in here because I love these little puddles. They're so cool. It's kind of like ribbon pours for me. Like when I lay down a ribbon pour, I really love the way it looks. But we know I'm going in here and I'm going to mess this up. So let's torch really fast, guys. And then we're going to go right back into some nice music. And I'm going to do some finger painting. And it's going to be so much fun. And you guys, I really want you guys to do this at home. There's no silicone in here. You don't have to have that fear of silicone and any extra chemicals. It's just the Floetrol in the water. And if you're comfortable enough with that, you're okay. I mean, we do get paint on our hands all the time. So it should be okay. All right, guys. So I'm going back in here. And you know what? I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, guys, we're coming back down here. And we're bringing her back into frame for us. Woo, she's looking nice. I always love doing finger painting. It's so nice. It's so relaxing, especially with puddle pours. Could do it with ribbon pours too. Puddle pours is a little easier. But man, that's so awesome. I love those colors. Those colors are so great, guys. I am a mess. And I will torch off camera. But you know, guys, I'm going to clean up. And then I'm going to go in for a nice close-up because I want you guys to see this. It's really beautiful. All right. I will see you later. Bye.